I'm getting myself high.
You had better be prepared to turn wet and messy.
Welcome back, YouTube. It's burger time. We got our 7327. We want to leave it in the shape that we got, or that it is, the best you can. So it's already shaped like a patty. Like a so, like I say, like a so. And, all right, just leave her in the tube shape, and we're just gonna cut. Get you a good sharp knife. Cut right through. Look at that. And you're already there. Saves a ton of time. That's it. I want to make them pretty good size. Look at that. These are a little bigger than I should be doing, but make them whatever size you want, but just leave it in the tube just like that. Bam. Saves a ton of time making patties, and they're pretty damn good shape already. So this makes quick work of it. There we go. That's good. Then I'll salt and pepper them. That's it. You don't even want to mash them too much. Minimally processed. But all right, you don't need to see me do all these, but this is what I'm doing. Bam. And we'll be ready to throw them on the griddle. Because nothing beats a griddled burger, I tell you. Especially if you're just eating the meat and not putting on a hamburger with all the other crap. It tastes way better on a griddle. Then the griddle lets all the good juices get away from it. But let me do the rest of these, and we'll salt and pepper them and grill them up. We got 33 patties. So that's 5. These are 5, but these are a lot bigger. Some of these. 33 patties. Didn't take me 10 minutes to do it. Now the hard part, cooking them. But look at that, perfect hamburgers. And lunches for a week and a half, 2 weeks. Should be a couple weeks there, 2 burgers a day. There you go. So, easy to do. $30 worth of meat, bam. Let's do it. And there you have it, all cooked. Put them in a pan, throw some butter, a little pat of butter on each one. And I'm telling you, they're freaking juicy when you go to reheat them. Just heat them in the microwave, you know, on low temperature so you don't kill them. And they are damn fine, I'm telling you. That's the beauty of this way of eating. A plain old hamburger patty is just incredible tasting. You would never believe it. I'm telling you, you're not going to believe me until you do it. But this looks like something you wouldn't want to eat for lunch. But let me tell you, man, it's good. The butter, definitely, you got to have butter on all your burgers. We're not doing A1. We're not doing all that crap anymore. So that's it. And then I'm gonna put 2 to a pack and vacuum pack them after they cool off completely. Alright, it's the next day. I just left these in the fridge all night. Just going to show you how I do them. That's all. A couple of them. And we're going to throw them in the freezer. And then you bring one every day to lunch with you. You're good. They thaw out. Throw it in the lunchbox. That's it. Like I said, I throw them in the freezer. Bring them one out every day, throw it in your lunchbox. And you got enough for lunch. You want 3, bring 3. You want 4, bring 4. I bring some boiled eggs and pork rinds, that's about it. And that's all you need. Thanks for watching. Do it. I didn't show you guys this. I got this posted in my description. It holds a 50-foot roll of 11-inch bags, or the 8-inch, and it cuts them. Makes it super easy. Super easy to do this. Instead, I used to have to hold the roll with one hand and a pair of scissors, and that's the way to do it. Like I said, I'll post this. This will be in the link below. It's the only one I can find like that. You would think it'd be a plastic thing or something, but bamboo seems cool. I like it. Speeds it up. Get you one. I know you guys are thinking they look like dry hockey pucks when you go to reheat them, but trust me, they're juicy. The butter, I think, does something, but they're not. It's not dried out junk like normal leftover hamburgers are. I don't know what it is. You know, you obviously don't want to cook them well done. You want to just get them just done. You know, but and they don't taste like plastic. You know what I mean? You think it might have a plastic taste with this shit that it's on, but it's I'm telling you, they taste just as good as the day you griddle them. It's crazy. So don't be scared of it. Give it a try.